Hey folks, David with the Dirty Wrench. Today we got the wife's truck in the garage, or exploder. We're gonna do a water pump, see if we can't get this thing running better.
You guys were working on this today. Already took a few things out. Created a little bit of space. That's free. Alright. There. Oh, hitting you off of it. 36. There. Got it. You know, it's not how the tool's supposed to be used. I don't know if you guys can see much. Boom.
You know? I need a new one of these. It's all cracked up bad. Look at this, a big split right there.
Oh yeah.
Didn't you have to replace it on yours?
Yep. Brand new one on my red truck.
The whole thing? Did it come with this piece too?
Yeah. Pretty sure. Or maybe I put that on there. I don't know.
How much was it, I wonder?
I want to say like $100 or close to it. That was what it cost from, I think, mine.
That's a 3/8, isn't it?
Yep. Yeah, I used the adapter. Did I? What did I use? No, I used the wrench, the angle wrench. Flex head. Yep. It's the only one we got.
Yeah, I got to get a breaker, 3/8 breaker.
Yeah, that'd be nice to have. Jay's got one.
Yep.
Well, that's stretching, so I did have it right away. Right. Nope, I'm still going that way. This head sucks. There we go.
Yeah, you gotta hold the head.
Nope, still going down. Wait, is it down? Yeah, I think down. It's right way. Now I'm confused.
You want to go the other way.
Yeah, still, that's what I thought.
There you go.
Schmerpentine.
Yeah, listen to that. Spin that.
Pick it up. There you go. Merry Christmas.
Yeah, that needs
Skateboard wheel.
That needs a new one. That one don't sound bad. Is that crunchy at all? That one don't sound bad, but
It sounds like the other one.
yeah.
I'd replace it.
Yeah, you might as well.
That one's fine.
That's the AC pump. That spins good. And that's the engine they gotta turn.
This one's fine too.
You're on there. It doesn't sound crunchy. Okay. All right. I'll have to take a See if the parts store got them. I don't want to. If we're gonna be going and getting this soon, I don't want to be waiting.
Yeah, this one.
So belt and nose, yeah.
And the tensioner pulley
tensioner.
and the idler.
Yeah.
Where's the bits? There's the bits. And if I remember correctly, it's an 8. Nope, it's a 10. See, I was right. It was a 10. I might need a shorty. Yep, I need a shorty. Even with a shorty, I wouldn't fit.
Yep.
That sucks.
Yep.
I did that with an impact on my truck. My truck's cooler. Because there's an issue.
What? Spins?
Spins. You're supposed to do that with the belt on. Next. Yep. Next. Last one. All set. He might know a thing or two about a thing or two.
Mm. It's getting wore out at the joint right there.
Mm-hmm.
Those bolts with that pulley, so we know.
Where's my cart? Cart's supposed to be behind me, man.
Well, we could put it there, but it's a little more tighter to move around. It's up to you.
Another check mark on my truck. It's smaller, so it's easier to work on.
Yeah, but this one's more comfortable to drive.
Yeah, we don't talk about that part. We're not talking about comfort. We're talking about.
Stretch out in this one.
We're talking about being cool. My truck's cool.
Hey, these are cool.
No, they're comfortable. They're not cool.
You can get the rust off them.
There's a reason people don't drive them, because they're not cool.
Oh, this whole frame needs to be redone. Look at the front end of the frame. We can't get up to the front of it. Not without the motor out of it.
Alright, I'm gonna need a pry bar. Pry bar.
Dirty. Rusty. Careful what you're prying on. Just be able to tap it. Maybe I have to tap it and let it pop off. You don't want to mess that pulley up. You don't want to pry out the other pulley either. Realize you have the other light set up. I need more batteries, man.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I need the big ones.
I need a poster that says that saying, man. It's just, all life has taught me is that I need more money. I saw that as a meme. I was like, man, I need that as a poster or a t-shirt or something, man.
Oh, I love power tools.
It's so stinking true. Yeah, like I said, I gotta buy the short head ones.
So much easier. I think that's all of them.
Ooh.
Nope, one more. Why does this Ford have so many freaking bolts? Oh, I missed one. Great. I missed another one. You suck. I already got that one. Where'd that one? There's that one. Please don't tell me that's alright. That's not. Oh yeah, she's already weeping.
Grab that catch can up there before you pull that out and drop it. It's right next to you. Gasket. This is the housing. See if I have that. Because I hope the hell so, because it will really suck if I have to return. I can't return this. Because that's the upgraded aluminum one, replaces that plastic one.
What am I looking? Yeah. Yeah, but that's in there though. Right? That's the same one? Yeah. That goes like that. That's in the back. Introduce what he's doing.
I'm getting the bolts out that you couldn't get out.
Right, you gotta tell them what we're doing. We're replacing the thingy here. What is it called?
Thermostat housing.
Replacing the thermostat housing.
Upgrading it with the aluminum one. We can get some brighter lights, man. Oh, you already got that one free?
Mm-hmm. There's only one more beyond the black pipe fitting. We got all the bolts out. Just waiting for this to slowly drain out of the engine. All the coolant, so we don't make a huge mess. We're trying to capture it all. And I don't know if you guys seen it in her full glory yet. Nice model. It's got the oh yeah, you guys can't see there. Here, where's that light? It's got the roll down window in the back. Nice interior. It's got that bag in the middle. It's not a fan of, but nice little vehicle for the wife's, for Dave's wife. Gonna go get a bed hopefully in New Jersey. Who knows? I got a message. It's good bed. Oh, there's a hood there. Alright, we'll catch you guys later when we do a little bit more work. Hopefully when we get the next new pump in. So we're doing assembly and we got a little present inside here.
Thanks to the mice.
I won't be able to see it now because we got the thing back on, but down there.
Underneath the intake, on top of the...
Right in front of this big metal thing that we're installing.
Top of the motor was a big old mouse nest.
So we upgraded it to metal and plastic. It's too dark over there, we don't have lights down here.
Aluminum. Aluminum.
Good old Ford. And she's trucking along. Get it?
Hopefully. Now we know whether needed or not. That's a good thing we did it.
Oh yeah. Gotta get 2 pulleys probably tomorrow, right?
Yeah, the belt, yeah. We'll probably grab some antifreeze.
Yeah, you can either get conventional green or you can get the orange stuff I got.
The green is what was in it.
Finishing up for the night. We got a water pump in. Everything buttoned up. We haven't torqued anything yet. We're gonna torque the water pump. think, oh yeah, and the pulley has to be torqued on. That's about it. And we're done. Hopefully the guy gets back to us tomorrow. Right?
Right. What's that?
I said hopefully the guy gets back to us tomorrow. We're going to New Jersey.
Yeah.
Get a fucking bed for this thing.
Yeah, he's gonna look at it, see what shape it's in. Let me know. If that only metal part in the whole bed is not rotted, we're going for it.
So, new day, new video. We are... Oh, not we, me. I'm gonna be needle scaling the frame. Just a little bit. Nothing crazy. We're supposed to drop the tank eventually. But... less than a week, we're gonna be heading up to New Jersey to go grab a free bed. So, just cleaning it up a little bit. Engine's all buttoned, tires are done. We might put a stereo in it, but who knows. Almost half the frame done so far. I think it's been 30-40 minutes. As for comparison, that's the other side. Lighting's not perfect. We're supposed to build mounts for the lights. So you won't be able to see much. Hold on. There you go. You can see how crusty that is. Versus needle scaled. There's a hole there. Right next to a mounting point, so it's gonna be patched eventually. But I finish this, and then I'm gonna let the air compressor cool down a little bit. See you guys then. Alrighty, so this is what we got so far. Really wish we had better lighting. Maybe I should have wire wheeled that just a little bit better. Which I just might, but yeah, she's almost done. Just gotta get the inside of that, like I showed earlier. Can't get that side, sadly, driver's side. But ooh, excuse me. Yeah, we're almost done here. Coming along fine. Sucks I gotta use this thing. I just moved one of the lights over, but I gotta open the door, so screen going on me. There we go. Alright. I'll have to cut that out. But see you when we're finished with the inside and starting the rust killer. I just forgot to record this part. Started getting ahead of myself here. So we're now brushing this stuff onto it. Skyco. Apparently it's supposed to be really good. We tried Core Seal and it works for lighter stuff, but heavier rust came back. So we're gonna give this a shot. Here, I can probably same part of the video, I'll narrate what I'm doing. So I mean, it's pretty simple. Just spread it on. Make sure you got a good amount. Don't lightly coat it, even more so than paint. I had to wash and dry the frame before I started doing this, clear off all the dust and grease. That's also a very important step. And these are, I don't know if he put these on film, but these are his new taillights. Temporary taillights that he made. I helped him. So we can go pick up the bed. Really hard. I wish I had the head mount. That'd be a lot easier right now. I just figured we wouldn't make a video all time lapse. Not cool enough like Dave to play music. So this is gonna be like wash and paint dry, literally. I'm probably 15. Just a little bit more on this side. Sorry, 1 second. Try and make this truck as safe as possible so we don't do this again. No rust, no major maintenance, no repairs. Just turnkey, go, replace basic maintenance parts. Spark plugs, fucking you name it. Alrighty, let's go to the other side. Almost done here. Hope that doesn't fall. Yeah, that's all. I gotta get swept up. Whoa! Tripping over wires. Do 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 do. Ooh, don't get that in your eye. Should really be wearing gloves doing this, but not gonna take me that long. If you're ever handling this stuff, wear eye protection and gloves. Don't be stupid like me. Keep filming what I'm not working on. This is hard to do. Film and work. And talk. I'm over here real quick. There, now I just gotta get the inside of what I can reach. Pleasant. Double check I got this. Let me grab this real quick. Ow. There. We'll call that good. Now, 2 days to cure. I'm gonna put this back. Now hopefully the next cut to the video will be us working on that. I'll be very upset if he doesn't come down and do it. I'll put this in the video. If not, peace. I think it's about a day and a half, 2 days later. That's what this stuff does. Turns all the rust white and turns it into, I think, zinc or something like that. It says it on the bottle. Change to iron phosphate. Oh, that's what it does. So yeah. Hopefully the next video will be us taking it for a test drive. Oh, I just realized the exhaust doesn't come out. There's no muffler. Alrighty.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you in another video.